When a person relates to a meme, the latter also tags his or her friends, thus again gaining more audience and likes along. Through a meme, a person can discover a specific brand, and if he or she likes it, the latter will support your brand. Memes need to be used in such a way that its full advantage can be taken to provide high quality content. To create a meme for a particular brand, few factors need to be taken care of. The first is to know the audience of the brand or of the social media page. For example, if the brand is targeting adolescents, the memes have to be different from the one targeting older adults. The next guideline to use a meme in an effective way is to use the memes that is the brand or the digital marketer has to have a good knowledge of memes in a bid to create more relatable content. Thirdly, it is mostly advised to use a meme that is already popular and which is easily understood for the audience. It is a good idea to turn to us, Sutodia Communications, as we are expert in the matter.